1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh? What's that noise? It turns out that the starfruit was leading 100 baby sheep to forage on the grassland. Their home was in the far sky. They would come to the grassland to eat grass at dawn and did not go back home until it was dark. When it was dark, the starfruit called back the sheep and went home until counting to 100. 96, 97, 98, 99. Achoo! The lambs were all here. Let's go home. That's too bad. The careless starfruit sneezed and forgot to count 100. Ah! The poor little sheep was still eating grass, completely unaware that his companions had gone home with the starfruit. Mr. Sun went down, and the darkness was slowly coming into the grassland. The cold wind was beating against the grassland, and the little sheep was crying and frightened. He huddled on the grassland. The starfruit back in the sky heard the lambs crying. Then he shook the wooden wand with no panic nor hurry and said, "Little lamb, don't cry. The stars will give you courage. Little lamb, don't cry. The stars will carry you home." Suddenly, the stars in the sky slipped one by one, coming to the side of the lamb. The lamb's body became a white cloud, floating to the sky, floating and floating. The lamb fell asleep on the way home. If you see beautiful white clouds in the night sky, it will be the lamb who's forgotten to take back home by the careless starfruit again.